Hey, guess what? We got two big holes now. Oh, it fits in there nice and loose now. No problem. Stupid chrome parts suck. What a shocker. Let's try this again. Okay, put the cable on. Piece on the ball inside there. Boom. Now this throttle should go on. Maybe like it's supposed to. Full size the top one. Oh geez, it fits right in there now. Looks like it's supposed to. And I can't make it reach that far. So that'll have to go this way. Wrong one. Okay, she's being held. It's under pressure. Once under pressure, you gotta get the other one. She's not under pressure, but it is fighting me. There's these stupid cable pieces on here fighting you. Three hands to do this. Of course, I only got two. Go back and forth, figure it out. Keep that throttle on the bike. Turn the thing the other way, dumbass. Slot side goes toward the cable. Just trying to put it on. See, tripod, you can't see squat, can you? Yeah. Jobs like this, you need a camera guy. We don't have those around here. No way. Can't see the damn thing. Too much reflection, the bright light in my eye. And the cable just came out because it's rotated too far. I need a better view. Yeah, I can see a lot better up here. Okay. Throttle's hanging now. What a pain in the ass. All that work for 10 minutes to get those two cable pieces on the end of the cable and inside the sleeve where it belongs. Nothing to it. Yep. Okay. Now carefully put the assembly together. You notice I don't have that stupid cruise control thing in there. I always rip them out. Customers want them, they can put them back in themselves. I don't use them. Make sure you hold your fingers up here as you put the cables up. Cables might not want to slide down like this one does not want to. They are not sliding at all. They're all wadding up in here. Why would they not go easy? Yeah. Yeah, great. See these here? They won't help me. They want to fight. Maybe they have to come in here, hold it, squirt one up. Why is that thing not going? I'm on the wrong stupid cable. What did I do? Put on the wrong one? What the fuck? That's the right one. There it is. I'm pulling on the wrong one. Okay. Stupid crap. I'm stuck. frustrating piece of crap. It is hard working, so I can't see shit. This light's gonna wind up on top of me here pretty soon. Okay, these cables are definitely being a pain. You're tight. You're tight. Keep them both tight, and they both fall equally. Those stupid cables. And that one's coming out. It came out. Told you it was coming out. Right back where we started. Plenty of time to reflect on how your error of your ways is. The error of my way is I gotta get the switch housing up here first. Somehow. That. Looks like I get the wire in the wrong spot. Alright, I'm doing this fucking piece of shit. What the fuck is wrong with this goddamn piece of crap? Okay, why in the fuck would this goddamn thing not go together? Alright, took care of that fucking problem. Alright, for some reason this piece of shit will not go on the handlebar that it came off of. We have a wire that wants to stay where it doesn't belong. You can go forward or backwards, it can't be in the middle. Okay, you want to be in the forward spot or the back spot? Don't care which one. It's going to make up its fucking mind where it wants to be. It doesn't want to be in either. It's going to go in that one though. Okay. There's no room to put the throttle sleeve in there when the damn fucking cable's there. Piece of crap. It's fucking with me. So this stupid wire right here is not long enough to go between the lever and up here, and I don't want to take the stupid master cylinder off to put a stupid throttle off. Piece of crap. Oh well. Where'd my stupid throttle go? It took off. I went home for the night. Piece of shit. Now where'd it go now? Yeah, it's gone. It grew legs and crawled out the street. Down the block. That means it must be underneath the motor. Yep, under the motor. Why would it not be under the motor? Okay, let's try this again. Alright, this side. Ugh. Okay, where are my two cables at? We have lost one of our cable pieces. Good. Why not? Everything else fucking got lost. There, I just got some extra length. Yank on the damn wire. I took care of that problem. Both cable pieces are missing. Good. I'll be back. I gotta find the parts. Alright, missing parts found. Problem. Wire is too short because all this weight's hanging off the harness, which does not move because I zip tied at the stupid handlebar. And all of this is pulling the wire that way, which makes this too short to go on the handlebar, which is a problem. So I have to pull it up while I'm yanking down against all this crap. So we'll just add that to the mess of stuff I got to deal with. No problem. I did find the missing pieces too. Okay, let's go try this again. And we need screws if we can get to them. We need about 15 other things we have no room for. Alright. So, screws are going over here, we're getting lost. These are in my hands, so put one of them over there. Which one's which? Okay, I got the good one. Okay. Put both these over here. I'm gonna deal with stupid cables right now. Get these fucking pieces of shit out of my way. Way down there. get rid of the problems so it's easier to work with stuff. Okay, this is wadded up in there. There we go. There's one back. This one here is next. Yeah, there's two up there now. I'm going to take this stupid cable and hang it over here somehow. My leg's going to hold it so it can't go away. Alright. I'm going to yank this stupid wire back to where it belongs. Try to rip it out of the damn harness. Okay. This is going to hang over here. Like that. Okay, where'd the sleeve go? The only piece I didn't bring up with the sleeve. Where'd the sleeve go? Here. Sleeve. It'll be on the handlebar. So I got your headaches fixed. Should go together easy now. Famous last words. Boom, that one's up. Next one. Cables are fighting me already. Shocker. Oh, wonderful. One just took off. We didn't need that, did we? Okay, more missing parts. I decided I want to go for a walk. Okay, it went down here somewhere, I heard it. Alright, we'll be back. Go find a part again.